This is Science Mentor, and in this lesson you will learn how to create more powerful filters using advanced filtering in Excel. If the data you want to filter requires complex criteria, you can use the Advanced Filter dialog box. The Advanced command works differently from the Filter command in several important ways. First, it displays the Advanced Filter dialog box instead of the Auto Filter menu. Secondly, Microsoft Office Excel uses the separate criteria range in the Advanced Filter dialog box as the source for the advanced criteria. To open the Advanced Filter dialog box, click Data in the Sort and Filter ribbon tab, choose Advanced. List range is the range of cells to be filtered. The column headings should be included. For example, I use the last column to filter. In addition, the checkbox in the lower left corner of the Advanced Filter dialog window lets you display unique records only. For instance, this option can help you extract all different items in a column. As you can see, the repetitive data is disappeared. To make criteria for filtering, type your conditions in a separate range on the worksheet. In theory, the criteria range can reside anywhere in the sheet. In practice, it's more convenient to place it at the top and separate from the dataset with one or more blank rows. The criteria range must have the same column headings as the table or range that you want to filter. I use age column and 22-year-old to make criteria for my table. Also, you can configure the criteria exactly suited to your needs. For example, I want to search for those who are older than 23. I write right arrow and 23 to make my criteria for advanced filtering. When configuring advanced filter so that it copies the result to another location, you can specify the columns to extract. For this, choose the Copy to Another Location option under Action. In the Copy to box, enter a reference to the column labels in the destination range and click OK. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.